Hi everyone, this is Wing from Aragon Watch. I'm holding the brand new design of the Aragon Enforcer Titanium GMT automatic with the Miyota 9075. This is our first time using this movement from Miyota, and it's truly a unique movement for a GMT. Now, this is not a working sample. This is a dummy sample that we produce for me to check the specs. This watch is fully titanium, of course, except the crown, the bezel, and except the crown, case back, and the clasp. And I'm gonna type up all the specs on the description so everybody can see it. But just want to preview this brand new Enforcer, and this is one of the finest MOP. I'm trying to find the light source where you can see all the rainbow color out of this incredible dial. All right, guys, and the retail price is going to be $700. Okay, in case you're gonna wonder. All the high-end specs like sapphire crystal with AR, titanium, movement, everything. Oh, by the way, it's helium valve and it's 500 meters water resistant. All right, guys, see you soon.